car insurance in Affton, Missouri. You could not harm anyone right now or get caught by the authorities, but there are numerous law officers on the highway searching for signs of drunk driving. They are there to make certain that anyone that is drunk is caught and kept from hurting anyone or causing auto accidents. A field sobriety test is created to evaluate anyone suspected of drunk driving and placing them under arrest. If you occur to fail this test or a blood test to check the alcohol level inside your blood, then you'll be handcuffed and taken to jail. On top of time in jail, fines and legal issues, you may lose your privilege to drive a motor vehicle. You can lose your license on the spot should you refuse a field sobriety or a blood alcohol level test. Think about that before you get behind the wheel after you've been drinking. How difficult would it be for you to live a normal life without a driver's license? Under certain circumstances, the court can give you a limited license to get you back and forth from work and for other necessities. One stipulation could be that you get a device in your vehicle that checks your alcohol level by blowing into it. In the event you register alcohol on your breath, you won't be able to begin your car. Numerous times, someone who has a lot more than one DUI is going to be required to have one of these devices after they're allowed to have their license reinstated. A huge change that you'll have to deal with is how costly your DUI insurance will price. You'll be categorized as a high-risk driver after being found guilty of a DUI crime, and your insurance costs will significantly boost. You may too plan for this if convicted of a drunk driving offense, simply because it's virtually impossible for an insurance organization not to discover about it. Your current insurance carrier could cancel your policy altogether after this type of incident. Based on your driving history and your time with your insurance company, you might be able to negotiate far better rates, but have a backup plan to locate a new carrier. Start factoring in a bigger payment for DUI insurance into your budget. Also, begin looking online for businesses that deal in high-risk drivers like those convicted of DUIs to look for the very best rate. Whatever you do, do not enable your insurance to lapse in the event you do switch insurance firms. Every aspect of your life can be affected after a DUI, so begin acquiring your affairs in place. Have a great spending budget in place and locate the most affordable DUI insurance that you are able to uncover.